In this video we are going to be running Pocket Option Auto Trader once again. Today is a Monday morning and we will take a few trades and let's see how we do. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you like this binary option robot and you want to run it yourself, you find link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. Now let's start our Pocket Option Auto Trader and let's see how we do today, this Monday morning. So we will now be taking a 15-second trade. We will use my favorite strategy, Alpha 1 Safe. We will take $2,500 trades. We will take with Martingale, classic. We do opposite side. That's my favorite also. And we can then just push start on the bot. Now he will start to collect all the information he needs from the chart. Also, he will collect everything he needs for the strategy Alpha 1 Safe. This takes a little while. You can see he's doing it right now. Right away he has started to collect this. He will then start to look for a trade and we get started. So you can see already now he's taking one trade. So let's hope we get a good start this Monday morning. People ask me often, which time is the best time to trade? Basically, I trade anytime. And you see we got a winner there, by the way. The thing is, it's just to use money management. Some strategy, by the way, works best on some timelines. Often the strategies that you find first on the list, they work on the lower levels. Alpha 1 Safe and the ones below, they work better on the higher. 15 seconds is something that I figure out now actually work quite good on Alpha 1 Safe. So that's why we're using that in this video. Plus it's go faster to make these videos because it do not use so much time to find a trade. For example, if you use Alpha 1 Secret, that one can actually use a few minutes to find each trade. And then for videos just like this one, it will take some while. Okay. Also, once again, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you don't lose a video just like this one. Okay. Also, if you have any question, leave them in the as a comment for X and YouTube. I reply to every single comment if there are anything. Also, join this group you find here. Let's see if we can go a little more down. And also, if you have any questions, you can ask me here on support. It's just me on the support, so if you ask a question, don't expect me to reply right away, because I have a bunch of people ask me questions every single day, and I can't reply right away. I need to finalize every single person before I get to you. So if you take time, don't be asking where are you? It's not like that. I'm one person, okay? So please be nice. Also, sometimes certain questions about, for example, how you use the bot and things, I will just direct you to see the videos, because as there are so many people asking questions, the most important is for helping people so they get started. Then see these videos, how I'm using it, test on demo account. I can't use time on each and every person for how to use the strategies, which strategy is best and things like this. Sometimes I can reply to it, but then I do because I have time. But most of the time I have many people waiting, and for respect for these people, I can't use time on this type of things. It's more to get people get started. Okay, so I will say always look the videos, because I'm making daily videos, sometimes up to 2-3 videos a day, depending on how much time I have. So you see many videos where I'm using the bot, so you will figure it out. But I always say test a lot on demo account before you use real, so you find something that works for you, because everyone have their targets and limits. So you can see, for example, you can put here a profit target. I don't use in this video, but you can put what you want. If, for example, let's say you want to start the bot now and you want to go down and get a pizza, for example, then you can put a profit target here, and the one all over there, I can't put my finger there now, but you see something called loss limit. There you can put, for example, more like what you would say in Forex, a stop loss. So when the loss go below the limit that you put there, then he will stop automatically. So it's more like a safety thing for yourself, so you don't get a so big surprise when you come up. Because then, if you reach a target, he will stop automatically, and if he reaches your stop loss, he will stop automatically. By the way, he's taking now the last trade, I hope. If you get a winner now, it will be a very good start this Monday morning. So let's see, and it is. Then I stop the bot. I'm happy with that. So we reached our $4,600 profit target. That is amazing for a Monday morning. So with that, I hope you enjoyed this type of videos. You see I have a little better sound now. It's a microphone here now. Before, many people was complaining that they could not hear me properly, so I'm hoping that this is much better. And I put some lighting here now so you can see better also. So it's a small upgrade, so my videos get a little better, so you can understand better what I'm saying also. So with that, have an amazing day.